Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, select the 3D shape, select the color filter, change the color of shape, select the image, change the background color, different color of background, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.